अच्छा जी, वेलकम बैक। अब हम करेंगे मास, वेट एंड डेंसिटी। हमने ये टॉपिक अभी स्टार्ट किया है। we'll be doing question 1 to question 5. Let's start. Question 1. An astronaut travels to Mars. Which row describes how his mass and his weight compare with their sizes on Earth? अच्छा, mass जो होता है ना, mass is the amount of matter in a body. तो matter can't be changed when you go to a different, let's say, planet, right? Matter won't be the thing which is changing. It's the gravitational pull. For example, अर्थ पे 9.81 meters per second square से acceleration होती है. But that won't be the same case in Mars. It could be either larger on a different planet or lower, the gravitational pull. And that's what weight is. Weight is W is equals to mg, right? Weight is W is equals to mg is mass into the gravitational pull, right? That's what weight is. So weight varies with the gravitational pull, while mass doesn't change. So mass will stay the same, while weight will differ. Question 2. The mass m of an object is related to its weight W and the gravitational field strength G. Which equation shows the relationship? अच्छा, अभी मैंने आपको दिखाया है W is equals to mg, W is equals to mg, right? This is what he's talking about. Mass, ये वाली इक्वेशन निकालनी है जिसमें mass, weight और gravitational field strength G हो, which is W ये आ गया, is equals to m और G ये आ गया, right? तो इसको ना रीअरेंज करना है, mass को सब्जेक्ट बना के इसको रीअरेंज करना है, right? तो ये देखें, mass को सब्जेक्ट बनाना है तो W डिवाइडेड बाय G is equals to mass. ये कहाँ हमें नजर आ रहा है? W divided by G is equals to mass in this equation which is B. B is the right answer. Question 3 में move on करते हैं. A plastic cube of density is compressed so that each of its side becomes half of its original length. What is the new density of the material of the cube? अच्छा, जब ना हमने डेंसिटी का फॉर्मूला लगाया, डेंसिटी is equals to mass divided by volume. तो हम नया वॉल्यूम निकाल लेते हैं. लेट्स assume the original volume was 1, right? Let's assume that the original volume was 1. तो नया वॉल्यूम निकालते हैं. और क्यूब का वॉल्यूम कैसे निकालते हैं? बेस इंटू हाइट इंटू विड्थ. तो 1/2 into 1/2 into 1/2, which will come out to be 1/8. This will be the new volume. 1/8 1/8 is the new volume. अच्छा, this is the new volume. अब हमने अप्लाई करना है the formula density is equals to mass divided by volume. Density is equals to mass. Let's assume mass is 1. 1 divided by 1/8. 1/8 क्या होता है? 1 divided by 8 क्या होता है? It's 1.215. 0.125. 0.125. 1 divided by 0.125 is 8. 1 divided by 0.125 is 8. So the new density will be 8 times that of the original density. Density is to 8. 8 times of the previous density. अच्छा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके पास इतना बड़ा क्यूब है, राइट? और आपने उसको कंप्रेस डाउन कर दिया, आपने उसके ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा फोर्स लगाया है और वो कंप्रेस होके 1/8 ऑफ द साइज हो गई है. तो उसकी डेंसिटी जो होगी उसकी 1/8, अगर इसका साइज हो गया है तो उसकी डेंसिटी जो होगी 8 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर ये पूरा ब्लॉक जो है इज कंप्रेस्ड डाउन टू दिस ग्रीन ब्लॉक, राइट? तो उसकी डेंसिटी जो होगी इंक्रीज होगी क्योंकि लेस वॉल्यूम में ज्यादा मास होगा, राइट? सो दैट्स हाउ इट इज, आंसर इज डी। और इसका मैंने एक आपको डायग्राम भी दिया हुआ है। पहले जो इसका वॉल्यूम था इट वाज द होल क्यूब, राइट? और इसके बाद जब कंप्रेस हो गया इट्स अ ग्रीन क्यूब, सो द वॉल्यूम इज ग्रेटली रिड्यूस्ड while the mass stays the same, so the density will increase. 4. x x is the result of y divided by z. अच्छा, ये सिंपल फिर से आगे w is equals to mg, w is equals to mg। अच्छा जी, अगर हम g को उधर ले जाए, w divided by g is equals to m। अब देखना है x is the result of y divided by c। x इस केस में मास है, so इट्स आइदर a और c। उसके बाद आता है y divided by z, y हो जाएगा w and z हो जाएगा gravitational field strength, which will be E. It's a very simple question. Let's move on. A student writes two statements about mass and weight. 1. Mass is the property of a body which resists change in a state of rest or motion. This is what mass is, right? So this is a right statement. This is the right statement. Statement number 2. Weight is the amount of substance in a body. No, that's what mass is. But in this statement, inertia को relate किया हुआ है mass. So this is also mass. अच्छा, which statement are correct? Statements are correct. Only A is correct. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.